Google is investing $75 million in the film studio A24 as they team up to develop AI tools. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. Google says the partnership aims to expand what is possible in the future of entertainment. The multi-year deal doesn't give Google access to A24's film and television library, but the companies will develop tools that assist with various aspects of filmmaking instead. A rep from A24 said the tools won't look anything like the prompted generative type of AI that people feel uncomfortable with. Its application will be something that uses AI to generate storyboards. The companies hope to get these tools in the hands of A24's stable of filmmakers. Plus, there are at least 2,000 working storyboard artists in Hollywood who probably would like to continue getting part of this trade. A24 has a reputation for emerging filmmakers that resonate with young audiences. These people tend to dislike AI. Kane Parsons, who directed Backrooms, the studio's highest-grossing film by a wide margin, has called the technology genuinely harmful thing that causes cultural and economic rot. Now, it's important to note that this new tech is being pitched as assistive in nature and not a replacement for filmmakers. Ben Affleck also launched an AI startup, which was recently acquired by Netflix. Now, that team's also building tools that help with post-production stuff like color mixing and relighting. Apart from the deal, this has been an absolute banger year for A24. Backrooms made over $300 million, making it the company's most successful film ever. Meanwhile, Marty Supreme made nearly $200 million and bagged a bunch of Oscar nominations. A24's revenue has more than doubled in the past 2 years, and the company was recently valued at $3.5 billion. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.